The day before, the ambassador of Kyrgyzstan to the Islamic Republic of Iran, Turdakhun Sydykov, met with the Secretary General of the Economic Cooperation Organization, Hadi Soleymanpour, at the headquarters of the Economic Cooperation Organization in Tehran. During the meeting, the presentation of credentials to Sydykov as the permanent representative of the Kyrgyz Republic to the Economic Cooperation Organization took place. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Kyrgyzstan reports. The parties discussed priority areas of cooperation and regional economic integration, strengthening cooperation in trade and investment, transport and communication, energy and tourism. Soleymanpour, highly appreciating Kyrgyzstan's membership in the Economic Cooperation Organization, noted the active participation and constructive assistance of the Kyrgyz side in considering topical issues on the agenda of multilateral cooperation within the Economic Cooperation Organization.